Postleitzahl. What do you think? What will be number 3? Or if you have, you can also go at random. If you know some other, you can just talk about it. If you suppose you know what to tell about number 6 or 7 and 8, you can just go at random.
Sixth one is the credit card.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, seventh will be the start centrum.
Very good.
Eighth one is der Internetanschluss.
Very good. Internet connection, no?
Ma'am, ninth could be Zimmerschlüssel.
Der
Zimmerschlüssel.
Yeah, good. Der Zimmer, Z, no? Zimmer,
Yes.
Schlüssel. Yeah,
Zimmerschlüssel.
very good. Very good. Okay. So, any in number, any other? Hosen, der Hosen. 4 are left. Der Hosen, das Doppel, die Mini. Okay. Now let's go to the chat box and check. In our chat box, we have already used die Zahl, we have used Zentrum, we have used Schlüssel, we have used die Karte, okay, but we have used der Platz. So what we are left with is das Restaurant, der Bugler, die Bar. 4, no? There should be 4. Okay, we are left with das Restaurant. Second is der Bugler. Third is the bar. Anything else? Fourth is the Zimmer. Okay, now if you suppose are not getting any clue, just think. You got these 4 nouns.
Ma'am, the mini bar.
Yes, exactly. The mini bar, and then?
Ma'am, could be der Hosenbugler.
Yes, der Hosenbugler. Means Hosen is trousers, the trouser iron. I don't know exactly why it's called Hosenbugler, but let's see if there is some special name for it. I'll get you there. Der Hosenbugler. 1 second. Trouser press. Yeah, it's like that only. Yeah, so it's something that irons trouser. Okay, then you have Spezialitäten and Doppel. Now you have both das. What do you think? With your own logic, what do you think you'll say? Doppel is double. Spezialitäten is speciality. So you have to put restaurant on one side and other side Doppel. Sorry, Zimmer.
Das Doppelzimmer.
Yeah. The double room, no? Suppose you go to a hotel and you need a room. So there you ask, no? Haben Sie ein? For example, if you want to say, do you have a double room? Haben Sie ein Doppelzimmer? Or suppose you want single room, you say, haben Sie ein Einzelzimmer? Do you have a single room? No. Suppose you want to say, how much does a double room cost? How do you say? How do you say how much? Wie viel? Remember? Wie viel kostet ein Doppelzimmer? Same question you can ask for single room. Wie viel kostet ein Singlezimmer? Yeah, oder wie viel kostet das Doppelzimmer? Like that. You can also put the definite article. And Spezialitäten Restaurant, no? Specialty restaurant. Okay. So this is like few at this level more than adverb, adjective, and verb. At this level, mostly you will come across the compound nouns made out of two nouns. Yeah. Slowly you'll see that when you learn more, you will come across many words probably where you'll have some few could be verb and noun together, but adverb and adjective will come later. Okay. I just wanted to also share something like it hasn't come in this, so I'm going to stop this presentation. We have learned colors before. Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just going to share one PPT which has more colors. It's just good to know, and it's self-explanatory, so we don't have to really, you will see and you will understand. It's that kind of slide. Let me just wait. Okay, so go to the last slide straight away. This one. So what we will do, I'm doing it together, two alone, together, so that we learn to read the names properly. No? That's the idea. Just read it out nicely. So as you can see, no need to, if you think that in German itself you understand the word properly, then no need to look for the English substitute of that. So as you can see, all the colors name are mentioned against the background of the same color. So what we are going to do, we'll just read it out one time. So I'm going to read horizontally, yeah, one row at a time, so you know where I am. Okay, so gelb, goldgelb, hell orange, orange rot, rot, dunkelrot, hell pink, flieder, rosa, normally V is pronounced like F, but here sometimes it's like very much like a borrowed word from English. Then it will be like V only. Yeah, violet here also. Aubergine, Lichtblau, Azurblau, Enzianblau. Königsblau. Dunkelblau. Türkis. Mint. Lindgrün. Grün. Dunkelgrün. Creme. Beige. Taube. Senf. Hellbraun. Nussbraun. Braun. Hellgrau. Grau. Dunkelgrau. Schwarz. Weiß. Silber. Kupfer. Gold. Glass decor. Chaballon. Okay, so these are all the different shades of colors. Yeah, so you can just read them if you want to know, learn it. I just want to mention one thing and then we'll stop the class. You see here you have two words, one is hell, the other one is dunkel. It's used quite in normal language a lot. What do you think? What could hell and dunkel mean? You have come across this, no? What is hell and what
Will it
is
be light
dunkel?
and dark?
Yes, light and dark. So light blue, dark blue, like that. For example, if you want to say the room is lighted, the simmer, my room is lighted. There also, you say mein Zimmer ist hell. Yeah. Suppose you want to say the room is dark, mein Zimmer is dunkel. Okay. You can talk in different contexts also. Yeah. So remember, these are two more adjectives that we learned today. So with this, this class is over. You have to ask anything, any doubt, any question.